Hey you guys, what is up? So we are going to be continuing our palette journey today with a brand new palette to add to the list, and that is the new Urban Decay She-Hulk palette. Let's jump into it. This is a collaboration with the Marvel Studio She-Hulk Attorney at Law original series that is now streaming on Disney+. Go check it out. You guys, this is a limited edition palette, so if you would like to pick this up, it is now available at urbandecay.com. So unfortunately, when I received this palette, I opened it up and one of the shadows was busted. It was completely shattered, which is why the palette is a little bit dirty. I tried to get it as clean as I could, but there's still some remnants of the shadow all in that crease. And this is the shadow that actually broke. But let's go ahead and swatch this whole palette so you guys can see what it's all about. All right, so this shade up here is called Courtroom Realness. Looks a little something like that. And there is the swatch. Next we have Case Closed, which is a really pretty nude shade. I don't know why I'm going up my hand when I should be going down my arm. Sorry about that. So you can't really see it because it blends in with my skin tone, but it is definitely there. Let me just build that up a little bit so you guys can see. All right, so now I'm gonna go down the arm. Sorry, they're gonna be all out of order. This next one is called Gamma Glow, and it looks a little something like this. So pretty, wow. Then I'm gonna drop down to this row right here. This one is called Take a Stand. And it looks a little something like this. And it is buildable, so if you wanna darken it up a little bit more, sorry that was a crappy swatch, you can do that. Next we have No Further Questions, which looks a little something like this. So pretty. And then we have Thunderclap, and that looks like this. It's like a shifting shadow. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. All right, so now I'm going to swatch the middle shade, which is called Hulk Out. And it looks a little something like this. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And then we're gonna move on over to this top row over here. This is the shadow that broke. It's called My Voice. So I'm gonna be very gentle with it. And it is so pretty, you guys. Then we have Crushing It, which is like a really pretty brick kind of orangey red, and it has some gold flakes in there. Super pretty. And there it is. And then we have Brains and Brawn. And then moving right along down on this next row, we have Trademark This. So pretty, oh my gosh. Look at that shift. And then we are gonna take WeHo Warrior, which is this purple, super pretty. And it has a slight color shift as well, pinkish purple. Super pretty palette, you guys. I am in love with all of these shades, especially the color shift ones. They're so gorgeous. So stunning. If you'd like to see how I got this look on my eyes, then just stay tuned. All right, so the first shade we are gonna be starting out with is called Brains and Brawn. It is up here, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease and blend that upwards. All right, so now we're going in with the shade called Case Closed, and I'm just applying that all up on my brow bone area and kind of blending that shade out that we put down. Now I'm going in with Courtroom Realness, and I'm just going to place this towards the front of my brow right here underneath it. Now we're going in with Crushing It, which is right here. And I'm just placing that closer to the crease area in that orange portion of the eye. Now we're gonna go in with Take a Stand, the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm just gonna deepen everything up a bit. Okay, so I applied a blue base, and now I'm gonna go in with Super Suit Up, which is the blue in the palette. And I'm just gonna place this towards the back of the eye area. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with Thunderclap, which has a really pretty kind of blue-green shift to it. And I'm just going to apply that all over top of that blue. All right, so now going in with the middle shade, which is called Hulk Out. I am just going to apply that right in here. Lining my eye with Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Freak. And then I'm gonna go in with Gamma Glow and just apply that into the inner corner of my eye. I also applied a little bit of this to my brow bone area. And then we're going in with WeHo Warrior. And I'm just placing that on my lower lash line area. Kind of mixing it with that blue towards the back of the eye. And I'm gonna bring this to about right there. Then to finish off that lower lash line area, I'm going in with My Voice, which is right here, and placing that right in here. Taking Suva Beauty's Fanny Pack and Suva Beauty's Sea Nymph, I am going to do my brows. I am also going to throw a little bit of Snazaroo white paint in there just to kind of lighten up the green just a little bit to match the eyeliner on our waterline. Okay, so now I'm just going to outline this whole shape using an eyeliner pen. All right, so now I'm gonna add some Tress Chic lashes. These are in the style Luxe, and they are kind of a greenish brown, so I felt like they would go really good with this look. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of glitter down here and maybe some to the brow, and I will be right back. And this is the final look. I just want to say a big thank you to Urban Decay for sending me this palette to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.